I'm gonna skip waiting part for a bit. And there you go, my Visa card added to Apple Pay and ready for shopping. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's check my Trust wallet first. As you can see, I have 100 USDT on my balance. So I will be using it to show you guys how to bridge them into Naira and spend it using digital bank card. If you're in Nigeria and you use crypto, especially USDT on Tron network, this video is going to be very interesting for you. Today I want to talk about Naira Bridge, a new privacy-first crypto to Naira platform that lets you spend crypto instantly, no KYC, and even get a virtual Visa card that works globally. Yes, no banks, no paperwork, no identity verification. Instead of cashing out through banks or exchanges, this service lets you convert crypto into Naira and instantly issue a virtual Visa card that can be used to spend online or in stores using Apple Pay or Google Pay. And the most important part, no KYC required. Your identity stays private. To begin with, we need to connect our wallet first. Then choose the sum of Nairas we want to put on the card. Let me choose the sum first. For security reasons, this service allows you to generate bank card with a balance up to 1 million Nairas, which is around 700 USDT. The main crypto asset, of course, is USDT on Tron, but Ethereum and Solana also can be used. Using this service, you can generate virtual Visa card in 2 steps and start spending instantly. Okay, let's see how it works. I want to create a card with a balance around 150,000 Nairas. So I pick the sum and click on Connect Wallet. The connection window pops up. So I'm using Trust Wallet, I pick this one, but you can choose through a large variety of crypto wallets. To move on, we need to confirm the connection in the wallet. And after confirming it, going back to the website. And once again, going back to the wallet to confirm the transaction in the wallet, reading through contract details, and if everything in the order, confirming it. So after confirming transaction in the wallet, we need to go back to browser and wait a little bit while the platform creates the virtual Visa card. It might take some time, so be patient and don't reload the page. And yes guys, my new virtual Visa card is ready now. Now I can add it to my Apple Pay wallet. It will take few minutes to process adding it to the wallet. So I'm gonna skip waiting part for a bit. And there you go, my Visa card added to Apple Pay and ready for shopping. If you found this useful, drop a like. Subscribe for more crypto and fintech tools. And let me know in the comments what you think about no KYC crypto cards in Nigeria. See you in the next one.